Hello everyone, this is Lero, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the events tracking features, right? So events are actually the actions that your visitors do or take on your website. So Heroku automatically identify these actions or these events by click on text. For example, there's this login text on our call to actions button, so we can automatically identify all these events for you by click on text method, right? But if you have any manual event or custom event that you want Heroku to track, you can always set out your manual events, and then you can find your list of manual events here, like the sign up, that click, and how you can track specific custom events is using the JavaScript, and you can find out more about how you can do so on this help guide article down here, right? Okay, so for events, right, it shows you the total visitors that come to that page, and then the unique visitors that they interact with these events, and the count means that the total number of clicks by these events and the conversion rate of these events, right? So you can also like set up Slack integrations, Slack notifications to notify you of any important events. Like for example, if someone interact with your click on your important key call to actions button, you want to get notified, you can set up a Slack integrations to get notifications on Slack, right? So you can view the events here, and it gives you a more detailed analytics about your events. You can also view the section recordings directly from here of these important events, and then the interactions by date and the interactions by channel as well, and all the list of visitors that interact with that specific event, and the pages that the actions take place, right? So that is about, I guess, and you can also share this analytics using a public link or private link, and right. So that is pretty much about the events, and maybe something that I can highlight to you is for Heroku will automatically identify many events, right, for you by click on text, and you can also like pin on the pin a very important event to you, and then you can quickly find your pin events from the first tab here. Yeah, so that is about everything about event, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.